I have an issue with the Viking stove. It's not level, so when I cook eggs, the eggs tend to run to one side of the pan. And I've seen online some people use a channel lock to change the level of the stove, but I don't have that tool and it costs 40 bucks, so I didn't want to buy it. So what I did was to remove the cover. I have some 2x4s in the house that I could use, but you could use a book or anything else for that matter. And just lift up the legs and then push the 2x4s in there to prop it up. And then you can easily turn the little legs, adjustable legs, freely just with your hand. Just one thing to note, before you prop the legs up, check the back of the stove. Make sure the gas line is not a hard pipe, but in my case it's a soft. And also there's that metal spacer thing that prevents me from lifting it up earlier. You have to pull the stove out a little bit first. Hope this video helped you leveling your stove. Please hit the like button so other people can find this video easier. Thank you.